In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Suno app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official Suno app installed and ready to help you turn ideas into music right from your phone. Start on your Android device and open the Google Play Store. This is the trusted place to safely get apps, and it keeps everything updated for you. You'll find its icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the Play Store is open, go straight to the search bar at the top. It usually says search for apps and games, and tapping it brings up your keyboard so you can enter the exact app name. Type Suno AI Music and Songs. Spelling matters here, so you see the correct result right away. After you type the name, you'll see a list of matches. Look for the official app made by Suno Inc. The developer name appears right below the app title. This is important. Only download the one that clearly lists Suno Inc. as the developer. There can be look-alike listings with similar names, and verifying the developer helps you avoid unofficial or fake versions. Choosing the official listing also ensures you get reliable updates and the best performance. Once you've confirmed you're on the right page, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app and then move right into installing it. You'll see a progress indicator so you know it's working. If your connection is slow, give it a moment. The Play Store will handle everything in the background. When the installation finishes, the Install button changes to Open. Tap Open to launch Suno and start using it. You're now ready to explore what the app can do. Suno lets you create AI-generated songs straight from your phone using text prompts, your own lyrics, images, or even recordings. It's designed to make the creative process simple, whether you're experimenting with a vibe, turning a phrase into a chorus, or shaping an idea into a full track. Because you installed the official app, you'll get the latest features as they roll out, along with improvements that keep your music making smooth and fun. To recap, everything happens inside the Google Play Store. Search for Suno AI Music and Songs, confirm the developer is Suno Inc., tap Install, and then Open. That's all you need to get started. If you ever need to return to the app later, you'll find Suno in your app drawer or on your home screen, ready when inspiration strikes.